let's write linear equations in slope-intercept form. So this is a word problem type thing, so we need to find the initial value and the rate of change, okay? The initial value is always going to be our b, okay? Initial value is going to be b, and rate of change is going to be our slope, or our y-intercept. Our rate of change is going to be our slope, or m. Initial value is our y-intercept, or b. Rate of change is our slope, or m. Okay? So when Patty woke up one morning, the temperature was 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Each hour, the temperature rose 2 degrees. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the situation where y represents the temperature after x hours. Okay, so our initial value, where did we start? Well, when she woke up, that's a good starting point, right? When she woke up, the temperature was 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So our initial value, or our y-intercept, or b, is 70. Then the rate of change, here's a key word that you're going to look for. Each hour, each something, the temperature rose 2 degrees. 2 degrees every hour. 2 degrees every hour. That's a rate of change. That is going to be m. That is your slope. So it is 2. So we're going to write in the form y equals mx plus b. And we're going to say y equals 2x plus 70. So when we look at this, we see that it started at 70 and it's rising 2 degrees every hour. We can plug any number of hours in here and find our current temperature. Okay, this one gives us a graph, but also gives us some words to go with it. Bobby joined MVP Gym. He had to pay a one-time membership fee plus a monthly fee. That is something he's paying every month. Use the graph to write an equation in slope-intercept form to represent the amount he spends, y, on x number of months. Okay, so again, we need two things. We need our initial value, that's the one-time fee, that's what he started with, and we need m, that's the monthly fee, that's the slope, the rate of change. Okay, so b is easy. We look on the y-axis, and where is our y-intercept? It's at 75. So B is 75. He paid $75 to join this gym. Now we need to find the slope. What is he paying every month? Again, the scale here is going to be important. Look at the scale of your y-axis. We are counting by 25s, okay? And look at the scale of the x-axis. We have ones, right? But then in between, we would have half months. So be careful with your scale. So they've already got points picked out for us here. Let's draw in our slope triangle. This is going to be a positive slope. My change in y right here is from 75 to 100, so that is 25. And then my change in x is 2 lines, but that only goes to 1 month, right? So that's 25 over 1. So be careful, even though it looks like 1 over 2, look at your scale at the bottom. That's really, and your scale on the y-axis too. It's $25 in 1 month. So m is 25. So the equation would be y equals 25x plus 75.